Join me as I put the MOXIE rover to the test and see if I can survive on Mars using its secrets. Welcome to our video where we unveil the secrets of Mars survival as revealed by the MOXIE rover. Get ready to discover how this incredible device is paving the way for human exploration on the red planet. Space agencies face a huge challenge in making Mars habitable for humans, particularly in producing breathable oxygen and supporting life. The harsh Martian environment is characterized by extreme temperatures, toxic gases, and low air pressure, making it difficult for humans to survive for extended periods. One of the most significant hurdles is the lack of oxygen in the Martian atmosphere, which is mostly carbon dioxide. This means that any potential human settlement would require a reliable source of breathable air. Currently, transporting oxygen from Earth is not a feasible or sustainable option, so space agencies need to find innovative ways to produce oxygen on Mars. Another major concern is the psychological toll of living in isolation on Mars. Prolonged exposure to the Martian environment can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. To overcome this, space agencies must develop strategies to maintain the mental well-being of astronauts during long-duration missions. On top of these challenges, space agencies also need to consider the logistics of providing food, water, and shelter for human settlements. Establishing a sustainable food supply, accessing clean water, and building habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment are just a few of the many obstacles that need to be addressed. In this section, we're going to delve into how the MOXIE rover operates, the science behind its oxygen production process, and the implications for future Mars missions. Highlight its successful tests and the technology's potential to support human life. MOXIE, or Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, is a joint project between NASA and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology designed to test the feasibility of producing oxygen on Mars. The MOXIE rover uses a process called electrolysis to split Martian carbon dioxide into oxygen and carbon monoxide. This process involves passing the Martian atmosphere through a specialized chamber where electrodes apply an electric current, causing the CO2 molecules to break down. The resulting oxygen is then released into the atmosphere, while the carbon monoxide is vented out. The science behind MOXIE's oxygen production process is rooted in the principles of chemistry and physics. By applying an electric current to the Martian atmosphere, the electrodes create a reaction that yields breathable oxygen. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach human exploration on Mars, enabling us to establish sustainable settlements without relying on oxygen supplies from Earth. MOXIE's successful tests have significant implications for future Mars missions. The technology has the potential to support human life on the red planet, paving the way for longer duration missions and even permanent human settlements. The success of MOXIE's oxygen production process could also have far-reaching implications for other planetary bodies, enabling us to explore and settle on other planets with hostile environments. Reveal the most exciting finding from the MOXIE rover's experiments, how it successfully produced oxygen, and what this means for sustaining life on Mars. Make this a dramatic and engaging moment. The results of MOXIE's experiments are nothing short of astonishing. The rover successfully produced oxygen on Mars, paving the way for human exploration and potential settlement. This monumental achievement marks a significant milestone in the quest to make Mars habitable for humans. The successful production of oxygen on Mars opens up new possibilities for human exploration, enabling us to establish sustainable settlements and potentially even terraform the planet. The implications of MOXIE's findings are profound, with the potential to revolutionize the way we approach human exploration on Mars. By producing oxygen on the red planet, we can overcome one of the biggest hurdles to establishing a human settlement, paving the way for a new era of space exploration. This breakthrough is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of scientific innovation. With MOXIE's success, we're one step closer to making Mars a habitable home for humanity. Summarize the key points discussed, emphasizing the importance of MOXIE's findings and its role in Mars colonization efforts. Reinforce the significance of this technology for humanity's future. To recap, The MOXIE rover has successfully produced oxygen on Mars, paving the way for human exploration and potential settlement. This breakthrough has significant implications for Mars colonization efforts, enabling us to establish sustainable settlements and potentially even terraform the planet. The technology behind MOXIE has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach human exploration on Mars, making it possible for humans to thrive on the red planet. If you found this information fascinating, don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments. And be sure to check out our next video for more exciting space exploration updates.